Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
Start by clicking and dragging to highlight the cells you want removed. Inspect the selection so you do not remove entire needed rows. On Windows, press Ctrl+- to open the Delete dialog quickly. On a Mac, press Command+- instead to open the same dialog. In the dialog, choose Shift Cells Up or Shift Cells Left depending on your layout. Click OK to apply the change and observe how adjacent cells move. If you made a mistake, press Ctrl+Z immediately to undo the action. Open the Home tab and locate the Delete dropdown on the Editing group. Click Delete and choose Delete Cells to open the same dialog box. To remove whole rows, choose Delete Sheet Rows from that drop-down menu. To remove whole columns, choose Delete Sheet Columns instead for a clean removal. Remember, clear contents only removes values and preserves formatting and comments. Delete cells removes cells and reflows adjacent data, so use it when you need shifting changes applied. Use keyboard shortcuts to speed repetitive deletions and reduce errors. Press Ctrl+- to delete selected cells and press Ctrl+Z to undo any accidental removal. Save a backup file or use version history before performing mass deletions for safety. When deleting many blank cells, use Home, then Find and Select. Choose Go to Special, select Blanks, and then Delete. If you need to maintain format clear contents instead of deleting cells to preserve layout. Always review the
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.